Welcome to Smart Money Countdown. It's Sunday, and today we're doing something different. In this deep dive, we're unpacking something awkward and real. You've got a good job, your LinkedIn looks great, your income has commas now. Your friends call you the rich one. Your mom calls you my millionaire child, even though you just skipped lunch to pay for petrol. So why are you still broke? How can you make six figures and still feel like your wallet's on life support by the 25th of every month? It's not just you. Millions of high earners are living this, not because they're irresponsible, but because income is only one part of building wealth. Today, we'll break down why a high income doesn't equal financial freedom and how to fix it. Let's dive in. And if you're tired of vague advice and want real systems that build wealth, hit subscribe. Part 1. Why a high income feels rich but isn't. Earning six figures feels like success. You've escaped survival mode. You can finally say, let's just Uber it without flinching. But here's the trap. Your brain sees more income and says upgrade everything. Not save more, not invest smarter. It's get the nicer car, bigger flat. You earned it. And your credit card is all in. Before long, your expenses expand to match your income. You're making $150,000 and still living paycheck to paycheck because you upgraded your lifestyle, not your financial strategy. And the world? It applauds your lifestyle, not your net worth. No one claps for the person maxing out their Roth IRA, but lease a Tesla and suddenly you're crushing it. Spoiler, you're not. Studies show spending often rises dollar for dollar with income. It's called lifestyle inflation, and it's why high earners still stress about payday. Quick fix? When you get a raise, split it. Half for your future, investing, saving, paying down debt, half for lifestyle upgrades. Celebrate smarter. And let's not forget debt. You're making six figures, but your bills are playing chess. Credit cards, student loans, car payments. You've built a subscription model for your life. Even good debt can trip you up if you don't understand the terms or leverage them wisely. Part 2. The lifestyle creep you didn't see coming. Lifestyle creep is sneaky. It happens slowly and feels normal. At first, it's lunch out instead of packed leftovers. Then it's premium flights, more Uber Eats, a bigger apartment, a new iPhone, Whole Foods, everything. Next thing you know, you've got golden handcuffs. You earn too much to walk away, but spend too much to breathe. The scariest part? It doesn't feel excessive. It feels like you're just keeping up. Because every time your paycheck grows, so do your expectations. Eventually, your needs expand to fill your income, and cutting back feels like failure. Fix it with a lifestyle audit. Once a year, list your 10 biggest expenses. Ask, would I keep this if my income dropped in half? If not, it's a want, not a need. Part 3. You're earning, but not allocating. Here's the kicker. High income doesn't mean high savings, unless you have a system. Without a plan, your money disappears like socks in a dryer. Wealth doesn't come from good intentions, it comes from allocation. If you make $10,000 and spend $9,900, congrats, you're just a well-paid broke person. The real metric isn't income, it's net worth growth. So, how much are you keeping? How much is invested? What systems are working while you sleep? Wealthy people don't wing it, they automate investments, set up savings transfers, and track net worth like it's a high score. Try this. Set automatic transfers the moment you're paid. Use a budgeting app to track categories. Review your net worth quarterly. It's motivating and eye-opening. Part 4. Too much status, not enough strategy. High income often turns into financial cosplay. You look rich, nice car, great wardrobe, flashy dinners, but your account balance, not so cute. Here's the truth. Status is not strategy. A $90,000 car doesn't make you wealthy. Neither does a luxurious vacation or designer bag. If your portfolio is just vibes, crypto, and your cousin's NFT, we need to talk. Real millionaires aren't flexing. They're maxing out their retirement accounts and buying index funds. They're building wealth quietly, because that's what works. Ask yourself, are you building wealth or just dressing like someone who is? Try a stealth wealth challenge this month. No lifestyle upgrades, just save and invest more. Let your net worth grow, not your wardrobe. Part 5. Your money isn't working for you. You work hard, late nights, long weeks, but your money? It's chilling in a checking account, earning 0.01%. That's not wealth, that's wage dependency. Here's what building wealth should look like. Part of every paycheck gets invested automatically. You own assets that generate income. Your net worth grows faster than your salary. You're earning while you sleep, not just when you show up. If that's not happening, you're just playing financial musical chairs. Time to shift from high income to high leverage. It's not about how much you make, it's about how well your money performs when you're not looking. Most high earners pour more into the faucet. Get a raise, start a side hustle, but they never fix the bucket. Fix the leaks. Automate your investments. Buy appreciating assets, stocks, real estate, business equity. Focus on cash flow, not just salary. Reinvest your returns. Don't reward yourself with lifestyle inflation. When systems are in place, income becomes fuel. Without them, it becomes confetti. Wealth is built with intention, not luck. Each pound you earn is an employee. Send them to work, in investments, in businesses, in assets that compound. That's how you build a machine that prints money while you sleep. Your action step this week. Pick one leak in your financial bucket and fix it. Cancel a subscription, boost your investment rate, or finally start that side hustle. Now, let's hear from you. What do you think is the biggest reason high earners stay broke? Is it lifestyle creep, poor investing, or something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's make this a conversation. That wraps up today's video. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more smart moves that actually build wealth, and share this with someone making 6 figures who still says, "Let me check my budget," every time you suggest brunch. They don't need more income, they need a better system.